Well, Christmas is finally here, and Asus was kind enough to send us not one, but two of their special edition ROG Phone 6 for the year. So we might as well unbox them and show you what you get with the ROG 6 Batman Edition and ROG 6 Diablo Edition. Starting off with the Bruce Wayne masterpiece here. Now, as you can see, it comes in a special case. It looks cool. It's not as great to the touch. This is not plastic, it's actually soft foam. But if you put it on a shelf somewhere, it's gonna have this cool high-tech Batman look with the stealthy black on it. I will have to turn this around to open it up. And there is the ROG Phone 6 Batman Edition. As you can see, it comes with a fast charger, with a nice USB-C cable that's braided, the special projector, we're gonna get to that, phone, and a case for it with Batman's mug. Asus usually has special SIM card ejector tools with their special edition phones, and this one is no different. You get a little batarang onto the actual phone. This is your standard ROG ordeal, but with a special Batman theme on it. You've got your wallpaper with the Cape Crusader. When you go into X mode, it shifts colors. X mode, of course, boosts performance. If you want to know more about the ROG Phone 6, check out our reviews of the 6 and the 6D. They're amazing gaming phones. And on the back, of course, it's different. It's a very cool matte glass. It doesn't collect many fingerprints, but you know, it still has some stains. You've got the special ROG Batman logo here. This is RGB, so you can set it to display any color or a blend of two colors as you wish, as well as the Dare to Play logo. Last but not least, we've got this cool projector here, which is, for me, is the sole reason to buy this phone. Basically, you connect it to the USB-C on the back and it projects the Batman logo on any surface around you. And that's basically all you get with the ROG 6 Batman Edition. Alright, that's done. Now what's this? Towards the end of the year, Asus also launched a special Diablo Immortal Edition of the ROG Phone 6. As you can see, the box is much nicer, much bigger, and you have this beautiful art here. On the side we have the icons for all of the hero types in Diablo Immortal. When we open her up, we are greeted with nostalgia. Okay, so the phone itself is encased in a world stone shaped box. We have this map of Sanctuary and some other stuff. Okay, let's carefully put this valuable box away. Just kidding. Okay, within the world stone we have the ROG 6 Diablo Immortal Edition. It is in this beautiful matte red finish, of course with the graphic. I think this is my favorite ROG phone so far. Let's set this aside for now. As for this map, it's a map of Sanctuary, as you may know. This is the world of Diablo. Within it, we have the beautiful braided USB cable and the fast charger. Now this feels nice, it's a false leather, and the package comes with a UV light, and you light it up, certain areas of the map light red. Kind of not very useful, though a bit cool for a party trick. Onto the phone, of course it comes with a special Diablo Immortal theme. When you activate X mode, it goes all red. I can't say I am a fan of this particular wallpaper. It looks just put together in a hurry, but otherwise we've got the side keys for gaming, we've got the great performance. Again, there's a special Diablo case which you can also light up with for here storage. I guess it's cool for some reason. And that's basically it. Two ROG 6 phones, two special editions. My opinion, I like the look of the Diablo phone much better. It's aggressive red, very cool. But the package of the Batman edition, you just can't beat. That projector itself is a pretty awesome thing to have at home, just flaring at a wall. Anyway, thanks for watching. I've been Press. This is the PhoneArena channel. Subscribe for more cool phone videos, and I'll see you next time.